Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Mariam's Creations and Celebrations. Today we are going to DIY a 3D number with mosaic balloons. For it you need a cardboard and then take out the cutting of number 1 and with the help of tape you are going to paste it and then take out the cuttings. After this you have to take small cuttings of cardboard and you are going to paste according to the number like this. And then you are going to paste the chart on it or you can paint it, but is your choice, you can do it. Now blow up the balloons and paste it like this. Blow the balloon according to the space that is available over here. Now we are going to put small golden balloons on the extra space, and here is the standee. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.